Hey, Jimmy with Cuffin Stuff. Well, today we got another good one for you. This is going to be a subscriber request. We're going to do cow powder cheese melt on the Blackstone. So stick around. You're probably going to see this one. And hang tight. Okay, well, we got just a little less than 2 pounds of hamburger meat in the bowl. And all we're going to use is this is Uncle Steve's Shake Competition Cow Powder. And let me tell you something, this is good stuff. I've used it on a lot of beef stuff. And you doing hamburgers or anything that's ground beef related, I mean, lay it to it. This is good stuff. We're going to take and mix it up good. And again, that's all I'm going to put in this. And I'm putting a good bit in it, so we're really going to taste the goodness out of this Uncle Steve's Shake. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and I'm going to make just a little less than fist size balls. We got it mixed up. Let's see. Looks like we're going to get about 3 out of that 2 pounds of hamburger. And like I said, that was a little less than 2 pounds. So there we go. There's our 3 balls of ground beef. We're going to go out to the Blackstone and I'll bring you back. Okay. First thing we're going to do is we're going to put a nice, healthy dollop of butter on the Blackstone here. And go easy because we don't want to burn these. Just turn them down just a little. Don't burn the butter. All right. And I have a onion. Now this is a white onion I've cut up. And I even want to brown these a little bit. Everybody cooks them until they're good and transparent. And that's good. I'm going that far. I may go a little further than that and just let these onions brown just a little. But anyway, we're going to let these cook and we'll bring you back. Okay. These are browning up pretty. Let's turn this side down over here. Well, let's move these onions over here where we turn them down. And we got this side pretty hot. Okay. All right. Well, let's go for the meat. There's our 3 patties. And ta-da! And I'm gonna smash them down pretty good. I don't want them too thin. But I'm gonna push them down pretty good. There we go. All right. Those are up pretty good. Close them up. Let him cook for a couple of minutes. And we'll bring you back. Okay. Well, tell you what I'm gonna do. Before I turn them over, I'm gonna add just a little bit more of this Uncle Steve shake. Oh yeah. All right. Let's turn them. See what we got. Oh yeah. Ooh, that looks pretty. Caramelization on the top. Close him up. And when we get that side done, we'll bring you back. Okay, these are getting about done. So, I know our onions are ready. Oh my goodness, and they smell good. You caramelize them good like this, it just brings all the sweetness out of a white onion. All right, let's take okay, and we're going to take some cheese. Now, this is smokehouse cheddar. You use Swiss, provolone, whatever floats your boat. This is just something we like. And I'm going to take 2 pieces and put on each one. And there we go. We'll close him up. Okay, next thing I'm going to do while this cheese is melting, and I'm going to turn this side down and this side back up a little bit. First time I've ever done this. I'm going to take mayonnaise, and Josh and Bethany at Cooking Cop and Babe turned me on to this Q-Pie mayonnaise, and guys, it is definitely good stuff. I'm going to take it and put it on. I'm going to do all 4 pieces, brown them, and we'll bring you back. Okay. Let's take these patties off. Okay. And let's put a little onion, on these. Okay. Smells so good. And there we go. Oh, that's good stuff. Now, if you want to put condiments or anything else on it, you go right ahead. Personally, I eat them just like this. But let's take them in and see what we can do with them. Well, that was easy, quick. And I tell you, again, there's nothing but the competition cow powder, the Uncle Steve shake on it. Let's try it. Don't look good? I knew it was going to turn out this way. That's got nothing on it, just a shake. Folks, I'm telling you, if you haven't tried Uncle Steve's shake, you need to try it. Thanks for hanging around, seeing how it turned out. If you haven't subscribed, hit this circle over here. We sure would appreciate it. We'll have another video for you on this side. Until next time, hang tight.